Whoa, check this out guys. IRS sending out stimulus check. Guys, breaking news. IRS sending out stimulus check at the end of this month. The fourth stimulus check update for these important states. States including Alabama, Arizona, Maryland, New York, Virginia, Florida, Georgia, Michigan, Tennessee, and Texas. Will 10 states be issuing the fourth round of IRS stimulus check on November 30, 2023? This is the Senate Bill 1734. This is the PDF given. You can use this page to check your rebate status, Texas stimulus check, what day you'll get your payment this month. This is the latest update on November 30, 2023. The fourth round of stimulus check going out to the following states. Now, what's the reality? Is it really going out? Is the fourth round of stimulus check happening on November 30, 2023? Well, guys, today in this video, we'll be going to check out all the latest details on the fourth stimulus check, and most importantly, how much money is arriving through the stimulus check and when can you expect the payments. We have got all the details, and as per this article, these checks will be sent out in certain states in this important month. Recently, a viral social media post is claiming that taxpayers in some states will be greeted with a welcome surprise as the holiday season start in the earnest. A hefty government check that you'll be going to receive as per this article, when the money is arriving and which group of recipients will be going to receive this check, which states are eligible. Today in this video, I have got tons and tons of details onto this program, what's going on. So guys, without a further ado, make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and let's jump right into all the details. Alright guys, so this is the viral post that we are seeing recently popping up onto various social medias. Now this is the viral post that we are talking about. States including Alabama, Arizona, Maryland, New York, Virginia, Florida, Georgia, Michigan, Tennessee, and Texas. If your account information is onto the file with the IRS, then you'll automatically get your money deposited onto your account. If you have received a paper check for your tax refund this year, you'll be going to receive your stimulus check once again through the same method. So if you moved and they don't have your new address, well, that's your business to change. The amount will be ranging from $500 going all the way until $2,000 depending on to the state and number of dependents. So what's the reality of this post right over here guys? This post is getting viral, getting tons of views, shares. Now it is really important to check whether the states disclosed into this post are real or what's really going on. We need to check the authenticity. So here you can see, according to the IRS, haven't released the date of distribution for the fourth round of stimulus check. So that's the current fact, but you'll likely get your check if you have submitted your taxes before July 1st. So definitely if you owe tax refund to the IRS, then you'll be going to receive your tax refund. No wonders right there. As far as the states goes, these states offering the payments, states including Alabama, Arizona, Maryland, New York, Virginia, Florida, Georgia, Michigan, Tennessee, and Texas. It is really important to fact check what's really going on with this article. Is IRS sending out stimulus check and how much money is IRS sending out? So let's check this article out. Will 10 states be issuing the fourth round of IRS stimulus check on November 30, 2023? Well, now this article is originated, in fact it is published by Marca, and this is the article I'm talking about. And similarly, a post was published onto the Facebook by Princess Foster on November 17, 2023, which has repeated some incorrect information from the article it was captioned. So this is the thing guys, this post is talking about some incorrect information. So let's check it out, what's the reality, which facts are true. So this is the post that we are talking about, and here is the thing. Well, if you are keen enough to check out the post right over here you can see there are some typos over there, but apart from that, this post lists that the news article source is MSN, but the article is not published by MSN. In fact, it is published by Marca, and it's appeared onto the news aggregator website Microsoft Start. Now the claim was flawed at its foundation because it fails to recognize the distinction between the state and federal tax programs. So right here into the United States, the advanced Google search for the stimulus check onto the Marca brings up this article. This article is somewhat misleading, and that's why there is a big confusion regarding it. So here's the thing. The lead stories reached to the IRS newsroom on November 20, 2023 regarding this very important misunderstanding. What's really going on? To fact check from the IRS, and here's the thing. Lead stories was told that IRS does not handle or control over the individual states or whether they'll be going to issue stimulus check. check. So they have recommended lead stories to contact the state agencies mentioned above. So lead stories has contacted these 10 important states listed on to this article and the Marca article that we have showed you. And the director of the media relationship in the Maryland told by the lead stories by email on November 21st that she find no program into the states remotely resembling to what was described to the claim. She was emphasized that this is the way it was written in Marca article made it sound as if this program were coming to the IRS at the federal level, which is a very incorrect information. Now, according to the IRS, they haven't released the date of distribution of the fourth round of stimulus check. So that's the first most important fact as of right now. But you'll likely get your stimulus check if you have submitted your taxes. So that's true, guys. If you have submitted your IRS files, you'll be going to receive your tax refund. That's true. But this is true for a specific group of audience. Not everybody will be going to receive the stimulus check. Like for example, the fourth round of stimulus check, which was a widespread check. Now, as far as the states and what this program is offering in terms of the payments, we have 10 important states listed onto the post right over here. But here is the thing, guys, there is no fourth round of stimulus check coming from the IRS as the Marca and the Facebook post suggest. IRS does not oversee the state issued stimulus check. IRS issued one round of economic impact payments. It was called as stimulus check payment in 2020 and two more in 2021. IRS has issued the first and second round of stimulus check, that is economic impact payments. But guys, talking about the rebate checks in Arizona, Virginia, Alabama, those are issuing the rebate checks because here you can see Arizona legislature has passed the Senate Bill 1734, which is qualifying many Arizona families with the dependents to one-time tax rebate. Yes, that's true. This is the Senate Bill 1734. This is the PDF given by the state legislature. All the details are disclosed below for how much money are you going to receive, which group of recipients, mailed to the last known address on October 15 and November 15, 2023. Now, Arizona Department of Revenue and Arizona Families Tax Rebate has got a portal where there you can check the status of your rebate, and this is the portal that we are talking about, 2023 Arizona Family Tax Rebate. You can use this page to check your rebate status, update your rebate address to make your claim. Just put in your information and you can check the current status of your rebate. As far as how much is the tax rebate, this is based on the number of dependents and their age. But for eligible taxpayers, the rebate is $250 per dependent under age 17 and $100 per dependent over age 17 as claimed on 2021 returns. Speaking of the Virginia taxpayers who filed taxes before July 1st may be eligible for one-time tax refund, and these checks will be issued by either by direct deposit or paper checks before November 30, 2023. And speaking of the Alabama Department of Revenue, those will be issuing one-time tax rebate checks, a direct deposit or paper check starting on December 1st, 2023. Residents of Alabama who have filed individual income tax return before October 17, 2022 will be going to receive $150 rebate for individuals and $300 filing jointly. Speaking of the Maryland, Tennessee, Michigan, Florida, those states are not issuing any stimulus check as of right now. In 2023, Georgia issued surplus tax refund to eligible taxpayers to 6 to 8 weeks after the income tax filing deadline on April 18, 2023. Many people are searching for the Texas stimulus check. What day you'll get your annuity payment this month? The Teachers Retirement System annuity payments in Texas are issued on last business day of each month. So for fiscal year 2023, the November 2023 paper checks will be mailed on November 29th and direct deposit will be available on 30th of the November 2023. And speaking of the December 2023 payments, well, paper checks will be mailed on December 28, 2023 and direct deposit will be available on December 29, 2023 for Texas Teachers Retirement System, that is TRS. For faster delivery of annuity payments, TRS encourages recipients to sign up for direct deposit. You can check out the details on my TRS portal for your direct deposit and other details. But guys, speaking of the details, Tennessee does not have income tax on wages. Tennessee Department of Revenue does not plan to issue stimulus check in November 2023. Florida does not have personal income tax. Also, Michigan Treasury offered a link information about the tax credit that some may be eligible article in 2024, but again, it's a small group of population. So, well, what's the reality of this post? Well, IRS is not sending out the fourth round of stimulus check. This article is misleading the tax refund and the stimulus check payments. But here is the thing, guys: the state stimulus and tax refunds are completely separate things, and the details for each of the program, each of the stimulus check basically is different. So, despite there are many online claims that IRS sending out stimulus check, fourth stimulus check, it's not true. Fourth stimulus check is not going out to the residents of these 10 important states on November 30. That claim is totally false. Federal government is not releasing another round of stimulus money as of right now. As per the current information, IRS has confirmed that there is no stimulus going out as of right now. IRS issued 3 rounds of such a payment during the peak of the COVID-19 and few gone out 2 years ago. The third most recent round of stimulus check included ARPA, which was nearly $2 trillion stimulus package signed by President Joe Biden. And in last week, agency has issued a reminder that anyone missed out on this payment can still claim the money. Also, there is a recovery rebate credit. Taxpayers need to file for the tax return. First of all, the money won't just automatically sent out to the person account as the social media post is claiming. The deadline to file a return is May 17, 2024 for these credits and April 15, 2025 respectively for 2020 and 2021 credits. And speaking of the other states, I have already showed you some rebates, some tax refund and other sorts of stimulus payment, but you need to check out this article in detail, what it exactly means, and there should be no confusion about this Facebook post right over here by this fellow. So guys, well, I hope that cleared up all of your doubts in your mind regarding this Facebook post which was getting viral on various social media. Some part of the posts are true, but most of it's false. No fourth stimulus check is going out. IRS is not sending out the money. You can claim some stimulus payments as I already showed you in the video. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe. This is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.